Well, hello everyone, welcome to HujiProductions, and today we're going to do an unboxing and look at this gizmo in here, which is a mini grease gun. So I'll bring him over. So obviously the Morris Minor has been doing its thing. Right. Hopefully you can see that okay. Wind you down a little. Okay. So this is made by Kretlaw, whoever they are. And let's see what you get in the kit. So you get 2 tubes of grease. This is lithium grease. So ideal for your Morris Minor. You get 3 ounces, which is 85 gram, which is probably enough to do a couple of jobs. You can see it's already in there. I have got another grease gun, but I was getting such a mess with it. I thought I'd get one of these little ones and go for the little cartridges. So this comes with 2 cartridges. So we'll pop them over to one side. And it's got the instructions across here how to fit the cartridge, but it has instructions inside all about the mini pistol grip grease gun. Right, so I'm going to put that to one side so I can read it, then I can pretend to know what these parts are. So let's get the main gizmo out. So here we have the actual grease gun itself. This is the grease gun head. It's the piston, the handle, the containing tube, and the T-handle, the rod lock, and the container tube. So you essentially pull this out, and that catches on it, a bit like a sealant application gun. And then you put your cartridge in there, and then you let go, and that springs up onto the grease and pushes it up into the head. So let's have a little look at what's inside here. So you've got your seal in there. So you've got your seal in there, and that obviously plunges up and down. It's got a big spring inside here, so you're using that spring to push the grease out, and in addition to this spring thing here as well. So that's those parts. You get some cheap black gloves. If you're working on a car, you've probably got gloves anyway, or you don't wear them. Then you've got your 12-inch flexible extension hose, which is something I did want, because I found it's quite difficult to get the gun, if the gun's fixed, to get it onto the grease nipple. And more importantly, I've whacked my hand when I've tried to get the end off if it's been too close to something else. So that's the flexible tube. And then in this bag we have 4 pieces. We have a long metal pipe sort of extension part. We have a sharp nozzle. So presumably when you want to put a fine amount of grease into something. We've got a nozzle. I don't think that is a nozzle. I think that's a couple. It definitely looks like a coupling piece. It's got threads both ends. This is definitely a nozzle. So this screws on this end, and then it's got the connector onto the grease nipple there. So I guess we could have a look at how these could go together. So we could put that onto the end of the flexible pipe, lock that on. We could attach where's it come out then? We could put the long pipe in there, and then we could use the coupling piece to attach it to the flexible piece. It's very windy. The instructions have just gone flying. So that would attach it onto there. I guess you probably could go straight in. Oh, you can't. You can't go straight in with that because it won't go through. Oh, that's being tricky, isn't it? I guess maybe the side. No, that wouldn't work. Okay. Right, you can't do that. So you'd have to do that. And then that. But okay, it is what it is. I probably want to put this together properly with some grips. Make sure those threads are all nice and tight and work. And then the pull this back, put it all the way back, pop your grease in. Must be the other way. Aha! Yeah, read the instructions. So you put that end in, and that all then goes in, forms the seal on the seal, I think, and then it breaks that. But maybe I should read the instructions for that bit. So let's put this grease gun together. So it goes this rod in through there, like that. I don't want to nip it up. It's always a lot more awkward doing this when you've got a camera between you and it. Okay, right, and then we want to pop the flexible hose on because I'll be wanting to use that. It's one of the reasons I got this kit. Smaller spanner. I don't want it to leak on these joints. Because it will get very messy if it does. One way. This. And then that's the actual part that goes onto the you know what. I'm getting in a muddle here. Okay, so let's now load the grease gun. So we want to pull the plunger all the way back, like that, That's now moved the plunger back. And we need to put this in. So you take that end off. You can see the grease in there. This is lithium grease. And it then goes into the tube like that. And let's take this plastic cap off. And the plunger can stick on the edge of the tube there. So I've found that you might need to wiggle this to straighten it up for it to go in. So that's now in. And you do need to remove this foil. So that's off and out the way. And then it's got to go into this. And what we'll do is not screw it all the way up, because we want this air to come out. Right, now we're going to let the plunger go. And then we want to see if we can get this to work. Hopefully on camera. Hang on. Let's carry on. Oh, I was going to say I can feel it change. So it's now coming through. A bit of air gap. There you go. Oh, it's still going. And it stopped. Perfect. That's just what I wanted. Well, it goes everywhere, this stuff. Right. So that's it, like that. And then I think I'm going to just prep the car so we can see it in action. So what we've got is a grease point here. This is on an old Morris Minor. Okay, so we've got a grease point here. This should just pop onto that, like that. Hopefully should be done. All I've got to do is pull this off without breaking everything, and we're good. Right, I'll pull that off the camera once I've got the camera out of the way. Right, there you go. That's the grease gun in action. Okay, so I've got it removed. It took quite a bit to remove it. You can see that the grease is coming out here. It's pumped in through there. So it's all good. That's the job done. Right, thank you for watching. Hope it's been of some use to someone. And if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up, give us a like, and consider subscribing. Thank you very much. Goodbye.